You may have heard of the mysterious concept of qi, one of the most central and frequently mentioned ideas in traditional Chinese culture. For example, Laozi once said, "All things carry yin and embrace yang. Qi is the harmony between them." And also, can you concentrate your qi and become as supple as a newborn child? Zhuangzi wrote, "Life is the gathering of qi. When it disperses, we die. And everything under heaven is just through one unified qi." Even the Confucian scholar Mencius said, "I nurture a vast and flowing qi. It is immense and powerful. When cultivated with integrity and without harm, it fills all space between heaven and earth." From these quotes, we can see that qi is a foundational concept in Chinese thought, seen as the basic force behind all existence in the universe. In traditional Chinese medicine, qi is also considered the vital energy that sustains human life. But what exactly is qi? Is it some kind of invisible energy or merely a metaphysical concept? With the 3-minute practice that we're going to introduce, let's explore the world of qi, not through abstract theory, but through direct experience. You will learn to feel and understand it for yourself. I am Daoist Zhao from Shengxuan Daoism. If you find this interesting and helpful, feel free to like and follow us for more content on Daoism and Daoist cultivation. Alright, let's get started. To begin with, qi is not just a philosophical concept. It is something that can be felt, responded to, and interacted with. It can be thought of as a special interactive state that you can enter. Let's try it out with a direct practice. So this practice is called open-close qi drawing method. So step 1, relax your whole body completely. And then we can raise our both hands in front of our chest. Step 2, gently clench your fist like this. Then locate the point on each palm where the middle finger touches. So those two spots are called Lao Gong Xue, an important acupoint in the palm where the qi is most active. Step 3. So once we know where the Lao Gong point is, let's put our hands together and rub our palms until your hand gets warm. Step 4. Now separate your palms slowly, positioning them as if holding a transparent balloon. Now keep your fingers relaxed and align the Lao Gong points, right, to face each other, like this. Step 5. Now focus your attention on the space between your hands, so here, as well as the two Lao Gong points, so those 2 points. Now inhale, and while you do that, slowly move your hands apart to the shoulder width, as if the transparent balloon is expanding. So inhale, and then exhale, and slowly bring your hands back to about 3 to 5 centimeters apart, as if the transparent balloon is contracting. Exhale like this. So if we do it continuously, it'll be like inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Something like this. Make sure that your attention is really focusing on the space between your hands and the two Lao Gong points. You can begin by performing 18 rounds of this open-close qi drawing exercise. Be sure to move your hands slowly throughout the exercise. Avoid opening and closing them too quickly, like this. Please do not do that. During the process, Focus on the sensations in your palms and the space between your hands, noticing how these feelings change as the distance between your hands shifts. You may also close your eyes to concentrate more fully on the experience. As you practice, you may notice various sensations between your palms. Some may feel warm or soothing, others cool or slightly moist. You may also feel a gentle resistance, as if your palms are being pushed apart, or a subtle pulling, as if something is drawing them together. These sensations may come and go depending on your focus and the distance between your hands. What you're experiencing is the most basic form of qi sensation. If you begin to feel something, continue with another 18 rounds of the exercise, following the changes in sensation as they arise. Also, feel free to share your experience in the comments with others. In our past experience, most people have been able to develop some level of qi sensitivity through this open-close qi drawing practice. But if you don't feel anything right away, don't be discouraged. Sensitivity to qi depends on the structure and the openness of your internal qi pathway. With repeated practice over several days or sessions, your ability to sense qi will gradually increase. We're also creating a free online course with more in-depth methods to help you activate qi sensation. Details on how to join can be found at the end of this video. Qi is not a single form of energy. It is an entire world. It transcends physical matter and conventional reality. In fact, it's a completely different way of perceiving and relating to the world. What we introduce today is the type of qi that can be most easily sensed by average person, what traditional Chinese medicine refers to as the wei qi, or the defensive qi. This form of qi flows with the blood and energy of the body and serves as a protective shield for one's vital energy, the zheng qi, guarding against external disturbances, such as xie qi, the pathogenic qi, and zhuo qi, the turbid qi. But the world of qi is far more vast, profound, and mysterious than what we have touched on today. If you're intrigued by the world of qi and want to explore deeper practices and more advanced ways to sense and work with it, we at Shengxuan Daoism are preparing a free online course called Exploring the World of Qi, as well as a mini course on Daofa, Daoist magic or ritual of applying qi. You can visit our website at shengxuandaoism.com for detailed information to register your learning journey. We welcome you to join us on this path of cultivation and discovery. In the future, we'll continue sharing practices from various approaches, simple yet effective ways to help you directly feel and understand qi and experience Daoist cultivation. Again, I am Daoist Zhao from Shengxuan Daoism. If you find this interesting and helpful, feel free to like and follow us for more content on Daoism and Daoist cultivation.